Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Today is Friday. Full day out. Ako nagbukas ngayon dito. It's already 4:15 and then 5 degrees po tayo dito, everyone. At mamaya ako rin ulit ang magsasara. Last night, grabe. Natapos kami 9, quarter to 9. Dahil doon sa kasamang isa. Nag-deep clean. Ayan, everyone. Meron na namang doon, oh. Ay, nakapwesto. Sign pala yun, sign na bawal mag-park. May ganun. Kanya-kanya ng ito din. Yan din, oh. Nandito, everyone. Parang dyan din sa Pilipinas. Agawa ng parking. Ang kakaiba dito, sa kalsada, nagpa-park, pero may bayad yan. May bayad sa council. Walang libre dito. Yun lang, yung bus pass. Pag senior citizen ka na. Malamig sa leeg, everyone. Later. Again, see you after 15 minutes walk and 1 bus. Bye at the moment. Go everyone. It's 9:25. I take the Ealing Broadway to Friday, so I'm full day out for work and good morning everyone. Dito na ako sa Ealing Broadway. Ayan, ang daming tao nang Thank God at dito ulit na stop para hindi na ako ahagdan kasi dito meron ng lift. Andun sa corner. Doon sa side na yun. So, as usual, may deliver naman. May pa-deliver na naman ako. Mag-deliver na naman ako ng taho, everyone. Ito pala ay Central Line at saka Elizabeth Line. Ayan lang, buy at the moment. At magtatap ako ng card ko doon. Going sa, pwede pala doon sa loob. Kasi mag-change ng yan, may nakalagay dito. Touch your card here if changing the train. So, ayun, dito tayo mag-tap sa kabilang side. Pupunta ako ng platform 3. Everyone. Dito ako mag-tap. validate card. The entry. Validate card for the entry. So, what time? Abbeywood. Okay, bye. Dito tayo mag-lip tayo.
Change at Whitechapel for services to Shenfield. This train is currently between
Doors opening. Lift going up. Doors closing.
Concourse level. Lamig dito, everyone. Tingnan natin kung ilang degrees dito.
Concourse level.
Concourse level. Oh,
Doors
6
opening.
degrees. Ito yung napakagandang station kasi meron silang toilet doon. Tapos mag-lip ulit tayo. Yun lang, everyone. See you at Hanwell. Ayan, I've done my 3 hours here, and then after that I have a lunch there. Thank you, Papa. Happy tummy. Everyone, it's a time check. 2:20. I'm here already at the station. I'm done with Tina's house, and that's it at the moment. See you later at Algate, everyone. At magtatap ako dito ng aking card. Here it is. My train. Going to Liverpool. Hindi, Abbey Road ang destination ito. Pero dadaan to ng Liverpool and everything. Yeah. That's it. Good afternoon, everyone. It's already 3:27. Dito na ako. I've done my lunch at Baba's Piña Soft Band. Gave me a lunch. He said, before you go, eat first and perfect and nice food that they gave. Another Syrian food he prepared. I'm gonna see it para so that makita niyo na yummy rin. Yummy talaga. Yun lang, everyone. God bless and ito pa. And then pagdating ko sa reception, meron pa okay si John. I take, although I ate, my colleague gave me one cookie this morning in the Imperial, but when I go home, I ate at the train at the Elizabeth line. So, and now at the reception there is a cookie son. Another cookie from Tesco. Bye. See you later after 4 hours. After 4 hours, work here. Today is Friday. Thank God. Thanks God it's Friday. Good evening, everyone. Ngayon pa lang ako uuwi. Grabe. 8:45 na ang oras. Gutom na ako. Ay, Diyos ko po. Ano bang nangyayari dito sa amin? Today is Friday. It's supposed to be early. Nasabon kasi yung mga call center. Kaya ayan. Yun lang, everyone. See you later. At tayo na. Ay, meron siyang dito. Dahil pagkain niya. Ayan, everyone. Time check. 9:30 na. 9:30 na, everyone. Gabi na naman. Tapos na sa inyo. Ayan o. O, diba? Ngayon pa lang, yun, bibilog ang buwan. Bilog ang buwan ngayon. Pero maliit. Hindi pa siya kabilugan. Pagkabilugan na yan, malaki na yan. O, yan lang, everyone. Ako. Pagoda ako. Because today is Friday. Pagoda na. Late pang umuwi. Dahil yung isang kasama namin ay nasabon ng aming manager dahil siya ay call center. Mas priority pa niya ang mag-charge ng earpod at saka cellphone pag mga bandang 7 or 8. Ayun. Uy, ang ganda dito. Sabi ko, God. Mga dry leaves. Diba? Kaya tuloy kami na maaga ay nalilate na rin ng uwi dahil sa kanya. Normally, yan, pag Friday, 8, pa lang, nauwi na. 8:15, ganyan. Nananakbo na, pero ngayon, 8:45 na. Yun lang, everyone. See you, everyone. May ilaw dun. See you tomorrow. Good night. God bless. And I love you all. Kain tayo ng dinner. Mag-dinner tayo kahit normal na to. 10 to 10. While watching Tanggol. Commercial pa lang yan. Ayun lang, everyone. Good night after this and God bless. Marami tayong gagawin sa ngayon.